Hi, this is George Steimer at Technology Services Group. I'm going to give a quick demo of the new HPI desktop in our HPI 2.0 product. So here I'm in the HPI search, and I'm just going to go ahead and search for a folder containing the word technology, and I see the Technology Services Group folder. And we actually do have a true folder browser here, but what HPI does differently is we don't show the entire folder tree. We only show a small snapshot of where you are. So I can see the contents of the folder that I'm in as well as any parent folders. So here if I go down into this demo folder, I can see it doesn't have any contents, but I can jump back up to the parent folder. So what if I want to add some documents to this demo folder? Over in the actions, I have my add documents action. I can go ahead and do, just add a document, choose a file, that sort of thing. But I can also use drag and drop. So if I delete that document, and I'll just open up this folder here, grab a couple documents, and drag them in here. And it automatically populates these documents. And one of the things you'll notice is that some of the fields are automatically filled out based on data from the folder, which is pretty nice. So here there's one attribute on each of these that isn't automatically inherited, so I'm just going to set that for these two documents and go ahead and submit them, and now they are in the folder. So here's the documents in the folder. I can jump between them. I could view them side by side, which is a nice sort of view for these documents if I want to compare two documents together. Some of the other actions that we have here for the documents, you could of course check them out, version the content. We can also send notifications either on the folder or the document level. So if I send a notification to a document to a specific user, I can go ahead and do that and submit it. We can also add folder notes for the folder itself. So this folder doesn't have any notes at this time, but I could add a new note. And users can kind of use this depending on the business scenario, however they work with the folder itself. Some of the other things I'll show really quickly, we can execute these actions over here in a modal. So things like you saw with folder notes or send email can be a modal overlay. But it's also configurable, so folder properties shows up as a modal overlay, but document properties show up next to the document in this side-by-side view. So that's kind of configurable based on your action, how you want it to display. Well, that's it for this short demo. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you need any additional information, please check out our website at tsgrp.com. Thanks a lot.